Good morning, Junior 4. I'm Miss Fatma Abdul Rauf Hamad Nalla, and I will teach you science this year. Hope to enjoy studying science with me. In the last video, we learned about the effect of speed on collisions, right? Today, we will do a small activity to show that the relationship between speed and kinetic energy, okay? Tools we will use: a toy truck, a metric ruler, a cardboard paper towel tube, a paper cup, a stopwatch, scissors, and books. Okay? Steps we will follow to explore. First, the relationship between speed and the angle of inclination. Okay? 1. Place one end of the tube on top of two books and the other end of the tube resting on the ground. Record the number of books used to set up the tube in a table column. 3. Roll the truck down the tube and use a stopwatch to measure the time it takes to travel to the end of the tube and record this time in the table. 4. Add one book to increase the incline and repeat the steps several times, okay? We will observe that as the time to travel decreases, the speed increases, okay? Part 2, to explore the relationship between kinetic energy and the angle of inclination, okay? This time, place the paper cup at the bottom of the tube. Then, measure the distance the cup moves each time after the truck rolls into it and record it in the table. We will observe that as the distance the cup moves becomes longer, the kinetic energy increases, okay? And this is the table we created. The last conclusion: as the speed increases, the kinetic energy also increases, and the angle of inclination increases as well. Okay? So, the speed and kinetic energy of a moving object on a ramp can be increased by increasing the angle of inclination of the ramp or increasing the mass of the object. Okay? That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.